I would like to thank IMDMA for organizing this such a wonderful event and giving us an opportunity to showcase our product.
We definitely understand AceMicromatic being such a large group has definitely have developed skill set to manufacture machines. Okay, let us go away from there. Let's speak about sales team for different products on offering. How do you train them to sell these machines altogether? We have a different kind of skill set which is developed by Ace Micromatic as a group, or each individual subgroup develop these sales executives.
First of all, customer response is very important. To respond customer immediately, we have very strong sales network. We have offices at 70 plus locations across India, and we have dedicated trained sales people, model wise, product wise. Product wise, we have very strong team. So through that team, we understand customers' requirement. We offer different solutions to customer, and we sell machines.
Okay. So once the sales is done, then comes the services. How do you manage to service all different kind of machines? Do you have inventory at place in each and every location, or do you have a centralized location to store the accessories? And what is the kind of a time period which you require for any sort of a machine to be serviced?
See, actually, we have a national warehouse in Bangalore, and now we started a regional warehouse in 3 locations: south, north, and west. Recently, last year, we started a regional warehouse in Pune also. Through that regional warehouse, we give a prompt spare support to customers. And see, our MTTR is less than 2 hours, and spare supply we do spare supply within 24 hours.
Okay. And let us speak about the technical centers which has been, inaugurated in various places, which is on work. What do you think about the technical center? How does it help you in sales?
See, right now we have 8 tech centers across India. For Maharashtra, we have tech center in Aurangabad and Pune. For Gujarat, we have tech center in Rajkot. Through tech centers, we do pre-order trials also if the component is very critical and customer wants a cycle time calculations, or if you wanted to check the feasibility of component, then we do trials at our tech center. Then through tech centers, we provide operators to customers. We train customers operators. Then we have CSR activity also. Through that, we train diploma holders, ITI holders, and then we send them to customers wherever operators are required.
Ravi sir, finally coming back to the PMTX, how was the response? Is there any super success which you achieved in terms of sales from here?
I would say it is a great success. Uh, Yesterday also we got a lot of opportunities, inquiries, and this whatever products we displayed here, those products have received praise from many customers, and this appreciation and feedback not only gives the strength of our products, but also indicate that AceMicromatic Group is a market leader.